All right, now that we got this 6.0 running, I'm gonna spend some time cleaning the engine bay. I did a little research online on YouTube, and it looks like you can, like, the main steps are try to vacuum or use air to try to get as much loose, dry dirt out of there as you can, and then disconnect your battery terminals and cover those, and maybe even take your batteries out, and then do a type of degreaser. I think I'm just gonna do something kind of mild, like maybe some Dawn dish soap and a brush, and try to get as much of the oil and gunk out as I can. This has a significant oil leak, I think. So there is a lot of oil in the engine bay. Part of the reason I'm cleaning this is I'm hoping to sell it soon, but I'm not trying to, put lipstick on a pig or anything. I'm just trying to see if I can figure out where this oil leak is from, and there's so much oil everywhere that it's really hard to track it down right now. So I'm trying to clean everything up and then hopefully be able to see where the oil leak is coming from, so I can either fix it before I sell it or let the seller know, hey, I think there's an oil leak here. So I'm gonna video that for you guys and hope you enjoy. I'm just gonna do a quick overview here so you can see how dirty this engine bay is. There's a lot of oil in here. I'm not sure how well it shows up on camera, but this whole area is just saturated. I'm not sure if it's coming from right here or what, but I have my belt off. I don't know that that's necessary. Mine just happened to be off right now because I'm replacing it. So it might not be a bad idea to take it off. But I have a lot of dust and pollen crap in here that I'm just gonna try to clean it up a little bit and hopefully be able to track down where all this oil is coming from. Looks like some probably coming from that oil pressure sensor right there, probably. Or actually, is that the... I can't remember if that's the oil pressure one or if it's this one in here. Kind of hard to see, but both of those seem pretty covered in oil, or if it's somewhere from this turbo, the downpipe, or the or this little gasket there. Really hard to see in there, but the blue gasket thing for the EGR, I'm not sure, but very dirty in here. Hopefully we can get it cleaned up. Well, it's definitely not sparkling in there, but it is a lot better, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Hopefully I'll be able to see a little bit better about where the oil is coming from, or it will go to a new home and he'll figure it out, or she, I guess. He or she will figure out where that oil is coming from, or they'll just keep driving it like it is, because it is running. So, alright, hope you enjoyed it. As always, stay independent out there.